Okay, I'll show you how to on the developer option. Go to your settings, then go to system settings, then go to about phone, then click on the build number 5 to 7 times. 4 3 2 1 5 times. Yeah, now you're a developer. Yeah, so now you are a developer. Now you are a developer. Go to there, go to developer options. It is on, and this USB debugging, it should be on. Okay, that's it. Before connecting to the phone, you have to on the developer as well and the USB debugging. Okay, now I'll show you how to install ADB to your computer for installing the Google Cam in your Asus Zenfone Max Pro. First of all, go to the page for the ADB download, which I have given in the description link as ADB. You will see this folder, this page, and click on the Google Drive. Other options will not work. You will see the preview, no preview available. Click on download. Wait for some seconds. The download is being done. Yeah, go to the folder where download is being done. Yeah, this is the ADB setup, which is just downloaded. Click on it, click on run. A box will appear after a few seconds. From box, press on Y and enter, again Y and enter, and Y and enter again. Click on next. Click on finish. All done. After finishing with ADB, download the platform tools in the form of zip from my description link given in my description box. From my link given in my description box, you'll see this folder. After opening the folder, you see these things, and what you have to do, you have to open command from this particular folder. Okay, directly opening command prompt will not work. So what you have to do to open command prompt from this folder, you have to press shift. I'll show you by writing. Press shift and plus means and the right click of your mouse together. After opening this folder, press shift and right click of your mouse. If you don't have mouse, you can click from the right click from your touchpad. If you don't have mouse, you can click the right but you have to press it together. Okay, so let's press. I'm pressing the shift and right click of my touchpad together. So this drop down menu will come. From here, open command from here. Click on open command from here. Then the command prompt will be open. Now we have to give some instructions in the ADB index CMD. First is I have not connected my phone. I just check it ADB devices. Nothing is coming. So again, now what I have to do? You have to connect your device or phone with a computer. After connecting it, you allow this one will come, allow USB debugging. You have to press OK. Okay, go to Android options and tap for more, click on transfer files. Again, this allow USB incoming, press on OK. First of all, you have to give the first command, which is ADB devices. I'll write here for you ADB devices. Click on enter. List of, now your phone is attached. See, list of devices address. This is my phone. That device, it is your Asus phone. Okay, now it is already attached with the ADB. Second command is fastboot devices. That means you have to check whether your device is ready for fastboot or not. After writing fastboot devices, click enter. Nothing is coming, that means everything is okay. You can go ahead for the fastboot mode. Okay, that means now third command is you have to reboot your phone into fastboot mode. So you write ADB reboot bootloader. ADB reboot bootloader. After that, press enter. As soon as I press enter, my phone restarts. See, it's restarting and taking me to the fastboot mode. Okay, this one will come after you write the code ADB reboot bootloader after entering. Okay, now we have to give the main code for installing the Camera2 API. To enable the Camera2 API, this is the most important code. This will enable your Camera2 API in your Asus phone. So it is a little bit long code. I'll write it for you in the screen. Because it is a long, I don't want to write. I'll just copy it, which I have already written in my notepad before. I'll copy it in a CMD. This fastboot OEM enable underscore camera underscore ACL held 3 true. After I'll press enter. After copying it, after writing it, I'll press enter and it will be, and now it's done. The Camera2 API is installed in your mobile. Okay, now let's do the fourth step. The fourth step is you have to write fastboot devices to check is your device is still in a fastboot mode. So it is, yes, it is still in a fastboot mode. Now the last step is to reboot your mobile because everything is done. Let's restart our mobile by writing the command fastboot reboot because the mobile is still in fastboot, so we'll write fastboot reboot. After that, we'll enter. Now we'll phone restart. See, my phone is restarting. So let's show you how to install a Google Cam. Just click on a link for the Google Cam in my description box. Download the Google Cam and install it as you install other APKs. For now, the camera is installed perfectly. You will have so many settings. Please check on the settings and adjust your settings. See the picture from the Google Cam which I have just took. These are my comments. So bye for as of now. See you, take care.